What's up everybody and welcome to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the BE Live5 by NuForce. Now recently we started looking at different headphones. These here have a very unique looking design and definitely have a very nice quality feel. So in this episode here we'll be unboxing them, trying them out, as well as taking a closer look at them. Now if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. Alright, so they sent over us two colors. We got the black one and we got the gold one. It's made out of an aluminum frame, which is actually a nice quality feel. Has about 8 hours in terms of life goes, which isn't really that much, but for something of this size, that's actually a good amount. It is water resistant and it also has the capability to using Siri as well as Google, which is very nice. Anyways, so let's go ahead and unbox these things and see what's on the inside. Alright, so you got like that box inside of a box, which is a nice feature. So press that button down and we'll pull this up. And ooh, look at that. So it like showcases you the headphones from the side and the top view. I like that a lot. That's actually a very nice looking color. It's got like a nice aluminum gold feel to it, which is really cool. And then you got like these two boxes here. So you got this little lift that comes out there. Put that to the side for now. We have another box right over there. So we have some accessories over here. Ooh, comes with a nice looking carrying case. It's got like this nice, almost like fabric material. And it opens up just like that. And inside here, we have our different accessories. So you have your different earbud pieces. And then we have the different clips to go on the sides. And then, yeah, just a very simple, straightforward case. Alright, so these here are the headphones. So these here are blue and gold. Actually have a very nice, cool looking feel to it. You can actually tell that they're made out of a nice aluminum based on the material itself. And then you have this little small control unit which will allow you to go ahead and turn it on with the power button, and then you have a volume control. And then on the side here, this here is going to be our charging port. And do not look, they're magnetic. So you can actually go ahead and snap them together, place just like that, which is pretty cool. So it makes it easier to carry around. More or less set. So let's try these out. These are good. Holy crap. Shockingly, these things are amazingly good. I am really surprised on the quality of audio these things are providing. The design structure of it really is very unique. It's got this like little hook. So essentially what that hook does is it kind of like goes into your ear and kind of keeps it in place. And then these little ear buds will actually go all the way in. So you get that nice, crisp quality sound. And it even has a very nice like audio canceling effect, so you don't really hear anything outside. So that is that, and the fact that they're magnetic makes it very easy. And in terms of connecting it wise, it literally took a second to connect it to my phone. Now you also have this little zip tie kind of thing will allow you to go ahead and make it smaller, so you get a nice like tight fit. Now you can also go ahead and pair this with your phone in terms of using Google or Siri, so you can always go ahead and use it on the go. So you just like say, hey Google. It's awesome. It literally just picks it up right away. So, you know, it has that microphone in there, so you can always use it in terms of like if you're talking on your phone and stuff of that nature. So it does provide an extra service in terms of using it for a microphone or like a headset at the same time, I would say. So you can see that, you know, it's got that same exact look and the same exact feel. However, these are black and also magnetic. They have like a little red tone to it too, kind of giving it like a nice sporty edge. So again, up to you in terms of what you like. Clearly, you know, it just depends on the person. I prefer the blue and gold. I think these are very nice. Both made out of the same material, so there really isn't much difference other than that. And they essentially do the same thing. Now that there is the BE Live5 headphones. Definitely, I have to say, very nice. They got a good amount of like oomph to it, especially with the bass. You can actually feel the bass, which is kind of nice for something this small. Now, if you're looking for some nice sporty headphones that are not individually separated and have that nice little cord in the between just to kind of keep it together, these might be the ones for you, just because they're very like small and very, very light, which is really nice, and they provide a nice quality feel as well as a quality sound effect. Now, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any questions about the BE Live5 by NuForce, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.